Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Beauty by Ashley Delgado with another T5A for you all. So I've been seeing this going around Facebook and Instagram and all of that stuff. So I decided to purchase it and try it out so that we can see together if this really works. But it's this brow trio that I found, and it comes with these stencils here. So I don't know if you've been seeing it. It's been trending, going around, and people just kind of put it there and blot it, and it's supposed to make a brow. So today we're gonna see if this thing really makes a brow. So I did get the trio, and it does come with stencils, and then it comes with eyebrow pomade, and it comes with a little spoolie, and then this brush right here. Let me show you what it looks like. This is what it looks like, and you're supposed to just dab that on. I guess we'll find out if this really works. I also got the brow setting gel. It doesn't come in the trio, but I did get it because I wanted to have like the full effect and really see if this works. So I don't have any eyebrow product on right now. As you can see, there's nothing on my brows. It's just me, nothing. And I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm going to pick a stencil here and see, I guess, what kind of arch I want. So it does come with quite a few of them. The sizes are different. So like these are smaller and then thicker. The middle, this is gonna be interesting because I have this weird mountain arch. I think I'm gonna go with this one here. Is the High Arch L. And then the pomade that I have is Soft Brown number 3. And this is what it looks like. So this is a soft brown. All right, maybe I should read the instructions because I've never used this before. Let's see, dip sponge into pomade and lightly tap. So we're just gonna put that right over my brow there. Kind of cuts off a little bit, but let's see. So it says to hold it with 2 hands like that. And I have my pomade and then tap towards the front. Let's see, because when these girls take them off on Facebook, they have like a full flawless brow. So I'm very interested to see if this bad boy works. Just to do tapping motions. Let's see. Whoa. Okay. Not bad. All right, let's do the other side. This might come out really crooked, but I don't know how else to hold it. Like, I wonder if you should like tape it down or something. That's not bad at all. It's crooked, but we could fix that. I mean, I guess if you aren't good at doing your brows and arching them, then maybe this is helpful and then you can just go back in with a brush. But it's kind of like extra steps for me, so I don't really know. And also, I didn't dip my brush in that much, and look at how much of the product is gone. Look at how much of the product is gone. And like, I just did 2 brows. Yeah, so I don't know how I feel about that. I do want to use the setting gel, so I'm gonna just fix it a little bit. Fine brush. Yeah, there's no fixing that, so I'm just gonna go in with the setting gel and just see. So this is what the packaging looks like. And this is what it looks like here. If there's any, oh, there it is. It's a little wet there. That first pass that I did, the brush was completely dry and it doesn't seem like there's much in here. All right, I mean, I guess it's not horrible. It does this thing. I probably won't use this on a day-to-day because I'm very picky about my brows, but yeah, for someone who's starting off and not sure of how to fill in your brows, I think this is great for you. Dipped on the product, but it is what it is. So let me know what you think in the comments down below, if you think it looks good. And if there's anything else out there that you'd like me to try, let me know down below in the comments and I will get it out to you all. Thank you so much for joining me in this T5A, and I will catch you in my next one. Bye guys.